Does your dad or granddad have a cable catastrophe? Because this is really annoying. My opa did, and that's why he invented this. I think this would be a super good gift. It saves a lot of time and a lot of tangles. My dad's a tradie and he uses it for work every day. If you get the flat out hoses too, you can use it in your caravan. All you gotta do is click the product in and wind. If there's more than one, you can stack them together. It's got feet so you can stand it up. My pa says he didn't know how much he needed them until he had them. And as a special deal, Flat Out's website has free shipping until Father's Day. How nice is that?